स्वागत है सभी का इस नए वीडियो में। ये हमारा प्रीलिम्स 2025 के लिए जो वन शॉट सीरीज चल रहा है उसका 19th वीडियो है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखिए हम लोग का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है। इंडो पैसिफिक इकोनॉमिक फ्रेमवर्क। इंडिया पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द इंडो पैसिफिक इकोनॉमिक फ्रेमवर्क फॉर प्रॉस्पेरिटी IPEF वर्चुअल मिनिस्टेरियल मीटिंग एम्ड एट फॉस्टरिंग इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन अक्रॉस द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन। Then comes अपना global legally binding pact on use of AI. A new treaty drafted by the Council of Europe addresses potential AI threats to human rights, democracy, and the rule of law, ensuring activities align with human rights principles and providing flexibility for parties to regulate and the private sector. Next comes अपना India's nuclear energy agreement. India and UAE signed a memorandum of understanding to strengthen collaboration in the civil nuclear energy with NPCIL and ENEC agreeing to support operations and maintenance of the Barak nuclear power plant. Then comes Agni 4 ballistic missile test किया गया है. India successfully test fired the Agni 4 ballistic missile, validating all operational and technical parameters. It can strike target 4,000 kilometers away, carrying a 1,000 kg payload. नेक्स्ट हम लोग का ये आप डायग्राम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हम लोग का, ठीक है। देन हम लोग का देखिए इंडस एक्स समिट। द थर्ड एडिशन ऑफ द इंडस एक्स समिट कंक्लूडेड इन द US, मार्किंग प्रोग्रेस इन डेवलपिंग अ जॉइंट डिफेंस इनोवेशन इकोसिस्टम बिटवीन इंडिया एंड द US, फोकसिंग ऑन इनिशिएटिव्स एंड एंगेजमेंट विद एकेडमिया एंड इंडस्ट्रीज। देन है अपना जोरावर लाइट टैंक। तो इंडियाज इंडिजिनस लाइट टैंक जोरावर इज रेडी फॉर ट्रायल्स डेवलप्ड बाय DRDO एंड L&T, optimized for high altitude regions with AI, drone integration and amphibious capabilities. Then comes on the 21st ASEAN India Summit. The 21st ASEAN India Summit celebrates a decade of India's Act East policy with PM Modi reaffirming India's commitment to ASEAN unity. A 10-point action plan was proposed, emphasizing tourism, connectivity, trade and disaster resilience. Then comes अपना Globe Network Steering Committee. India was elected to the steering committee of the Global Operational Network of Anti-Corruption Law Enforcement Authorities Globe Network, reflecting its growing role in international anti-corruption initiatives. Then अपना देखिए नॉन काइनेटिक वॉरफेयर। ये क्या है? तो पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन डिफेंस डिस्कस्ड इंडियाज प्रिपेयर्डनेस टू काउंटर हाइब्रिड वॉरफेयर, इंटीग्रेटिंग नॉन काइनेटिक टैक्टिक्स लाइक साइबर अटैक्स, information manipulations and economic sanctions alongside traditional military strategies। ठीक है, नॉन काइनेटिक वॉरफेयर में आ जाता है। देन इंडियाज़ थर्ड मोस्ट पावरफुल नेशन इन एशिया। ठीक है, इंडिया जो है थर्ड मोस्ट पावरफुल नेशन बन गया एशिया का। इंडिया सिक्योर थर्ड पोजीशन इन एशिया पावर इंडेक्स बाय लोवी इंस्टीट्यूट विच मेजर्स बोथ मटेरियल कैपेबिलिटीज एंड इन्फ्लुएंस। देन कम्स शोरत्स। ये क्या है? तो एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम है। DRDO कंप्लीटेड डेवलपमेंट ट्रायल ऑफ द मिनिएचर वेरी शॉर्ट रेंज एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम शोरत्स, ठीक है, डिजाइन टू न्यूट्रलाइज लो ऑल्टीट्यूड एरियल थ्रेट्स। Dragon drones, ये क्या है? तो रशिया एंड यूक्रेन आर यूजिंग ड्रैगन drones that releases termites to burn through almost anything, causing severe damage. But thermites, severe damage. But their use against civilian target is barred under the convention on certain conventional weapons. इसका जो यूज़ है ना, तो इसको बार्ड कर दिया गया है अंडर द कन्वेंशन ऑफ सर्टेन डेवलपमेंट कन्वेंशनल वेपन्स। Then comes Malabar Exercise 2024. The Malabar 2024 naval exercise was inaugurated at Visakhapatnam, enhancing cooperation and operational capabilities in the Indo-Pacific region through complex drills and maritime operations. India, Australia, Japan, US participated. Then comes Global Alliance Against Poverty and Hunger. So Global Alliance Against Hunger and Poverty was launched during the G20 Leaders Summit in Rio de Janeiro, aiming to eliminate hunger and poverty by 2030 through targeted assistance and resources mobilization. Clear? Then comes India CARICOM Summit 2024. India proposed 7 pillars to enhance its partnership with CARICOM, focusing on capacity building, agriculture, renewable energy, innovation and trade. ठीक है। Then India US Indian Ocean Dialogue. India and the US are set to strengthen collaboration in the Indian Ocean region with the inaugural India US Indian Ocean Dialogue, aiming to enhance security and economic prosperity. India joins ARIN AP Steering Committee. India, represented by the Directorate of Enforcement ED, has been inducted into the Steering Committee of the Asset Recovery Interagency Network Asia Pacific, granting it a role in the organization's decision making and administration. Then comes DOPT report on cybersecurity threats in India. The 2023-24 annual report of the Department of Personnel and Training revealed that a critical Indian defense unit faced a ransomware attack in 2023, along with the data breaches and cross-border cyber fraud incidents. नेक्स्ट हम लोग का एडेप्टिव डिफेंस. द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर emphasized the need for an adaptive defense strategy focusing on emerging technologies and shifting alliances to address evolving challenges effectively by fostering a proactive mindset, adaptability and technological integration. India hypersonic missile test. India successfully concluded a flight test of a long range hypersonic missile off the coast of Odisha with capacities to carry various payloads over ranges exceeding 1500 km एंड मार्किंग अ पाइवटल स्टेप इन डिफेंस मॉडर्नाइजेशन. ठीक है, सब जो भी इमेजेस हैं ना आप एक बार पॉज करके देन स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then comes Purvi Prahar exercise. The Indian Army in collaboration with the Navy and Air Force is conducting exercise Purvi Prahar in Arunachal Pradesh, focusing on improving integrations and combat effectiveness through modern warfare technology and real-time intelligence sharing. Exercise Surya Kiran. The Indian Army contingent has departed for Nepal to participate in the 18th edition of the battalion level joint military exercise Surya Kiran, aimed to enhance interoperability in jungle warfare and counter-terrorism operations. Then अपना India Australia trade agreement. The India Australia Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement India Australia ESTA has marked 2 years since implementation, creating significant opportunities for MSMEs, business and employment by streamlining trade and boosting economic cooperation. Then अपना UN Convention Against Cybercrime. The UN Convention Against Cybercrime, adopted unanimously by 193 UN member states, is a landmark international agreement aimed at enhancing global efforts to combat cybercrime and protect societies from digital threats. Then अपना United Nations Disengagement Observation Force. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres honored Brigadier General Amitabh Jha of India for his services with the United Nations Disengagement Observer Force UNDOF at the Golan Heights, which was created by the UN Security Council Resolution 350 on 31st May 1974. Then comes exercise Slinex. The Slinex 2024 Sri Lanka India naval exercise है ये, was recently conducted in Visakhapatnam, India, highlighting the strategic maritime partnership between the two nations with the sea phase activities including joint special forces exercise, the gun firings. Then comes search and rescue aid tool Sarat. Incois introduced an upgraded Sarat version to improve sea search and rescue using model ensembling, high resolution ROMs data and object selection based on shape and buoyancy, with outputs in regional languages via emails and SMS. Upgrades include enhanced positioning, improved visualization and user-friendly tools. Then comes Manama Dialogue. The annual global summit in Bahrain, established in 2004 and hosted by IISS, focuses on security and geopolitical issues, providing a platform for leaders to discuss regional security challenges. The 2024 theme is Middle East Leadership in Shaping Regional Prosperity and Security. Then comes UN Commission on Narcotic Drugs. India elected to chair the 68th session of the UN Commission on Narcotic Drugs, CND. The primary UN body for drug-related matters है ये, responsible for monitoring global drug trends and supporting balanced drug policies. India's election highlights its growing global leadership and commitments to tackling drug challenges. Then comes exercise Sinbax. ये क्या है, तो फर्स्ट जॉइंट टेबल टॉप एक्सरसाइज है किसी के बीच में, इंडिया एंड कंबोडियन आर्मीज. कमेंस हुआ था ये कहाँ, तो पुणे में हुआ था. एमिंग टू प्लान एंड सिमुलेट जॉइंट काउंटर टेररिज्म ऑपरेशंस अंडर द यूएन चार्टर. The exercise focuses on intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, information operations, cyber warfare and disaster relief, showcasing indigenous Indian weapons. Then अपना Indian Chemical Council wins 2024 OPCW. The Hague Award. Indian Chemical Council honored for contribution toward a world free of chemical weapons, recognized for initiatives like Nicer Globe and Responsible Care. The OPCW implements the Chemical Weapons Conventions CWC to promote peaceful uses of chemistry. ठीक है, केमिकल वेपन्स कन्वेंशन है ना, ये ट्राई करता है कि जितना भी केमिस्ट्री है ना उसको पीसफुली इसको यूज़ किया जाए. देन कम स्विट्जरलैंड सस्पेंडेड इंडियाज मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन स्टेटस. Switzerland suspended the most favored nation MFN clause under the double taxation avoidance agreement DTAA जो इंडिया से साइन हुआ था ना, तो स्विट्जरलैंड क्या किया, मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन का स्टेटस है उसको सस्पेंड कर दिया है. इफेक्टिव कब से होगा ये, 1 जनवरी 2025 से. पोटेंशियली इंक्रीजिंग टैक्स ऑब्लिगेशंस फॉर इंडियन कंपनीज इन स्विट्जरलैंड एंड स्विस इन्वेस्टर्स इन इंडिया ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ रेसिप्रोसिटी. This may deter Swiss investments in India and complicate tax compliance for Indian businesses. Then India re-elected to UN Peacebuilding Commission. India re-elected to the UN Peacebuilding Commission PBC for 2025 to 26, reaffirming its commitment to global peacebuilding efforts. The PBC Peacebuilding Commission supports peace efforts in conflict-affected affected nations through integrated strategies for recovery, reconstruction, and sustainable development. Then comes exercise La Perouse. INS Mumbai participated in the fourth edition of multinational naval exercise La Perouse, enhancing maritime situational awareness through operations in maritime surveillance, interdiction operations, and air operations. One, the exercise strengthened interoperability among like-minded navies, focusing on planning, coordinations, and tactical informations sharing, aligning with India's Sagar vision. Next up, na Atomic Energy Commission (AEC). Government reconstituted the Atomic Energy Commission and governing body of the of the Department of Atomic Energy (DAE), responsible for formulating policies and overseeing nuclear programs in India. The DAE oversees both power and non-power applications of atomic energy.